Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about how to make mobile applications smarter. So when customers are using your mobile apps, there's some basic features they expect from your mobile applications. And if they don't see these features, then they end up going to your competitor's app. And because of that, you end up losing customers, sales, and so on. So let's get into what these features are and ensure our mobile applications have them. So let's get into different features to make your apps smarter. First, easy search features. So your customers expect easy search features in your mobile application. Say you have a note-taking app or apps which has document management as the primary goal, then the customers are expecting an easy way to search through the list of documents they have to find the required information. So take for example one of my favorite apps, Evernote. So Evernote has the tagging feature where you can actually tag different notes based on different topics. So for example, I have a lot of notes on my Evernote, and say I take a lot of notes regarding presentations, and these ideas are scattered throughout my different documents in Evernote. What I do is I just do at presentation. I use that tag in different sections of the notes I take related to presentations. So whenever I want to search for a particular thing related to presentation, I would just search for the tag name presentation, and then immediately every note related to the presentation pops up, and then I can easily search through it, get the required information. That is the kind of thing customers are expecting. And to take this one step further, they also expect auto search complete features, like for example Google. When you type in a word, say where do you over here, then immediately you can see that you're getting different recommendation based on your search, because it thinks it knows what you're searching for and give you a different list of options, and you can actually select from a list of options which just auto populates. So those are some of the things which customers also expect, and that is something you want to think about. Next is location aware apps. So say you have a mobile application and the key feature is to give you information relevant to your location on a specific topic. So for example, you're searching for restaurants or searching for flights, then making your mobile applications location aware is really important. So what do I mean by that? So for example, say you're using a flight booking app, and when I just click on the departure airport field, automatically I get recommendations saying, hey, I think you're looking for a flight from Chicago or Milwaukee, right? And this is right because I live in Chicago. So how are these things happening? So basically they use a concept called geofencing. So what is geofencing? Geofencing is a concept where they create this virtual boundaries, and when the user steps into one of these virtual boundaries, then immediately a trigger happens and gives you all the relevant information related to that particular location. So say you're using the Yelp app, which is an app search for restaurants, recommendations for food, etc. So when, say I'm in downtown Chicago and then type in restaurants, then immediately I'm going to get all specific recommendations and information related to my location where I am right now in downtown Chicago. And the reason that can happen is a trigger happens when I step into that particular location downtown Chicago because of this concept of geofencing, and the device has a GPS feature. So using both the things, we get required information relevant to what we are looking for. So location aware apps are something which are really important. Next is seamless integration between desktop, mobile, and tablet. Say you're using a website, then you want to complete a transaction on a mobile phone or a tablet, right? So you want the same user experience which you had on your desktop, on your mobile phone, and the tablet too. So it's really important to have the seamless integration, because this is a normal end user scenario where, say, I would start something on a desktop, say a flight booking application. Say I'm using a flight booking application on the desktop. I would search for a list of information or list of flights for a particular destination, and then I'll complete my booking via the mobile app because I got interrupted because of something, and then after 2 hours I use my mobile app to complete the transaction. In those kind of cases, the customers expect seamless integration like this. So that is something you definitely want to keep in mind. Finally, auto tabbing, auto focus. This is the most simplest feature, which could be so annoying if your mobile application does not have it. Say, for example, you're entering your credit card information on a mobile application once you do a purchase or buying tickets, etc. And you enter your credit card number over here. And what the expectation is that once you enter your credit card number, the focus should automatically go to the CVV number. And once you enter the CVV number, it should automatically, the focus should go to expiration date, like the auto tabbing. And then once you finish the expiration date, then the focus should go to the street address. So it should continuously auto tab based on the information entered, right? Don't make the customer click on each and every field while entering information, because it's really, really annoying. And these are some of the basic things your mobile application need to have. So these are some of the things you really need to keep in mind when thinking about how to make your mobile applications smarter. And these are basic set of features which is really important. So thanks for watching today's video. If you want more information, check out my website at www.rajsubra.com. That is RAJSUBRA.com. Thanks for watching.